Grant Journalism Workshop. And what I'd like to share with you today is one of the teachers who was inspirational in my development. Mr. William B. Dodds was both a positive and negative inspiration. Positively, because he had a banner with these initials, PITTOT, and they stood for Procrastination is the Thief of Time. Unfortunately, Mr. Dodds was also the teacher who told many of us to get a craft because college was not in the cards for everyone. He inspired me to recognize the value of time and opportunity, as well as to inspire me to rise above the mediocrity of other people's limited perspective of my potential. Again, this has been Mellonese Naylor reporting to you from the Mellonese Grant Journalism Workshop.